a little different.
Oh!
I don't know. In this. Started looking at this shit. Dude, this yard's pretty big.
It is pretty big. What is going on, guys? It is Boosted Beards. I'm Lucas. Got Tyler today, and we are up at a U-Pay and pull place. This place is massive, guys. Check this out. Look at this, look at this, look at this. I mean, I don't even know where to look. Like this, there is just there's so many fucking cars here. So right now we're just kind of walking around. We picked off what we kind of wanted out of some of the cars. Now we're just kind of fucking off, looking for something cool. What's going on, guys? What's going on?
Oh, hey.
Fuck, we're filming, but it's cold as fuck. So today is a special. It's $2 to get in, and it's $39.99 for like a wheelbarrow, bed liner, cart, whatever you can fill. It's $40 out the door. So we are trying to get our fill. Bad news on the Subaru parts, there was one RS. There's no WRXs, no STIs, obviously, because that shit's worth too much. What are you looking for?
I'm just checking the bottoms of all these.
Oh, yeah, yeah. See if there's anything good in there? Any guns, anything like that? That could be this stuff just laying in there. Yo, check that out. Oh, I wonder if there's anything good in here. He's got a Stig sticker. Let's see if there's anything. Look at that, dude. There's what you were looking for earlier. Oh, what the fuck? Gross. Tinted windows are a good sign for something cool. Chrome sunroof. Nothing in the glove box. No guns under the seats. Not this time. Glove box. Nothing. That's probably the first place everybody checks. Trunks have been pretty good too. We're looking for modified cars. Kind of any sound system, any kind of aftermarket projector lights. Yeah, if you guys have never been to one of these, I definitely recommend this. This is fucking crazy. There's like all kinds of old shit too. All right. Let's keep moving. Ooh, Eclipse, hard top, Hyundais, Ultimas.
These things are making me appreciate Subaru even more. There's like no hidden spots in the compartments in any of these. It's just a trunk and a spare.
Oh, gross.
Oh yeah.
Dude, that one smells awful. Hey, no way! You will not believe what I just found. It's stupid, but yo, let me get those. Or not.
Oh, I thought you were sitting back out.
These literally are, dude. These are the. Oh wait, yo, these are Smirnoff sours. Yo, what you guys think? Turns out scuba divers and D Almighty and all them ain't the only ones that can treasure hunt. We're doing it at the Junkyard. Got me some nice new shades. Oh, look at that. Oh, Magnum. See, man, the interior on this is pretty fucking nice. Look at that. Good shape. Oh my god. Dude, that trunk lid is like 1,000,000 pounds. Rest in peace, Outback. Hey, here's a Honda I saw. Check this out. See if there's anything good in this thing. So, locked, of course. So basically what you kind of do here, look, this even got the key. So basically what you kind of do here at the U-Pay and pull places is you just kind of go around and you take off all the parts and then you pay for them at the end when you get up to the front. So that's what we're kind of doing. We're just kind of looking for some cool shit right now. Like I said, we got everything we pretty much needed. It's just the two of us today. But we're definitely gonna have to come back to this. This place is fucking awesome. Oh, here's another golf. Ooh, this one looks pretty nice inside.
Oh, hey, what's that?
Somebody needed the seats.
I can't tell. What's gonna happen?
Yeah, but it's got main wiring harnesses into it, so probably not.
Yeah, it looks a little too well done.
Yeah. The shades?
Dude, fuck yeah.
Smearing off sours, man.
That's actually sick.
Oh, what the fuck?
Holy shit.
Yeah. Dude, I just been all willy-nilly reaching under the seats trying to find, like, I don't know, a gun or something cool.
You want to get AIDS right now?
Oh my god, dude, I'm so nervous now. I'm just like...
Look at all the cigarette butts.
Alright guys, we are in a mad dash to get everything that we can. Because time is running out. They are about to close. Yeah, dude, as soon as I saw it, I was like, hell yeah.
It's got USB on the front? Yeah.
Alright, I'll throw it in the cart.
Every car, the stereo is gone.
Alright, well, let's keep heading that way then.
Yep.
See if we can find anything else cool. Yeah, it shouldn't be too hard, honestly. Sorry, I got you guys such a low angle. All right, I'm gonna put this away and we will get back to you guys when we are ready to get out of here. Like I said, we were trying to do a last minute, like mad dash, find anything cool, whatever we could put in the cart. And then, yeah, we'll get with you guys when we're almost done or when we get out of here. Either way, I don't know how the policy works once we get to the front door. But, yeah, we'll check back in with you guys soon. All right, guys, so we're getting out of here. It is crazy fucking busy. It is a mad dash to get the fuck out of here. All right, guys, but that is it for this video. We are gonna get out of here. We gotta get this stuff loaded up and get the fuck back home. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. As always, we appreciate you guys and everything you do for us. And yeah, as always, much love. We gone, guys. Peace. Yeah, let's get out of here.